My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of.
How about a grated cheese and rhubarb roti? Shall we have a go? Let's try. I've discovered that the best way to roll roti is to put some flour on the work surface. Now everyone else mentions oil, but that's not satisfactory for me, so I'm using flour. Let's put the cheese in first. Add some rhubarb. I'm cooking them until they're nice and brown, and I think that makes them crispy and taste better. Should be okay. Now you need a really sharp knife for cutting these, and I haven't got one, so I'm using the bread knife, which is the sharpest thing I've got. I find it easier to put them on the plate with my hands. Cheese and rhubarb taste test. I shall only be eating a little bit because I've already had a whole roti. This one. Now that's good, but it's not as good as the rhubarb on its own. This only gets a 16 out of 20 on this scrumptious scale. Amazing. I thought cheese would be great. Cheese does not work.
My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.